Na Yu Jen. He is also the recipient of the Academic Honours and the BCM Board of Directors Awards.
How to conduct a funeral. My classmate, who is graduating with me today, went to the extent of building a makeshift coffin because BCM don't provide coffin for us. So he made a coffin out of cardboard boxes, big enough so that my classmate can sleep inside there like this. Yeah, it was fun and it was just amazing. For our mission trip to Cambodia, we learned very importantly that things don't always go according to plan. Things can change and can totally change the whole day plans. And so we learn to adapt on the move. Another thing I learned that's very important is the food. Yes, the food. The host presented me with raw green vegetables. They look like they're plucked from outside the church. What looked like mee hoon and this bright yellow soup. I turned to the pastor in charge and said, suddenly I'm not so hungry already. She pulled me aside and sternly said, Matthew, when we go for missions and the host presents you the food, you must eat a little bit to show some courtesy. And so I ate and I enjoyed it. Okay? This has truly equipped me for ministry and missions because when I go for subsequent missions and when the host presents me a food and I don't feel like eating, that voice, those words will forever echo for eternity. Okay?